Moving on to lip products, one of our best-selling lipsticks is our HD Lip Tints. These are a liquid lipstick that apply like a lip gloss but dry down completely matte and touch-proof. These lipsticks are perfect for everyday wear because you don't have to worry about talking or eating and having transfer. Just reapply in the center after eating. Unlike some long-wear lipsticks, these are actually super comfortable, and that's thanks to the breathable formula and vitamin E that don't leave your lips feeling suffocated and dry. If dryness is something you're concerned about, consider popping on a Rich Care lipstick before or a high gloss lip oil after. Next, we have our best-selling bullet lipsticks, our Lip Satins. Our Lip Satins are a soft matte finish but are moisturizing thanks to amazing ingredients like vitamin E, argan oil and sweet cherry seed extract. And just one swipe gives long-lasting, highly pigmented coverage but with a comfort that you can wear all day. And they come in a great range of colors, with our Promises collection boasting a perfect range of nude lipsticks. Moving on to base, we have to talk about our best-selling foundation, the HD Perfect Cover-Up Foundation. The HD foundation is a buildable to full coverage foundation. It has a natural skin-like finish, and thanks to its moisturizing properties of vitamin E and white truffle extract, it doesn't feel heavy on the skin. It looks amazing on camera as it gives a soft focus effect. Because of its buildable formula, there's no need for concealers to cover blemishes or redness. Just build the coverage in areas that you need it. And lastly, thanks to the amazing color range, there is barely a shade we can't match. Products that I recommend with the HD foundation are the Under Makeup Base. It's a silicone-based primer that will absorb excess oil and help smooth out the surface of the skin. And there's no concerns about acne or breakouts. Thanks to the silicone polymer formula, this product is breathable, which means it doesn't clog pores. It's a must-have product for makeup artists and makeup lovers alike, as it's suitable for all skin types. To set the foundation, I recommend our Freedom System pressed powders. We have a huge range of colors and types. My top recommendations would be the Stay Hydrated pressed powders, as these leave the skin still looking velvety and soft while packing a punch with coverage. Also widely popular is our HD pressed powders. These are a translucent powder that keep the skin looking glowy and fresh. And don't forget to add your compact at checkout, as these are sold separately. This is a refillable system, which means you only have to buy your refill next time. Our next most popular foundation is our YSM. Our YSM is more of a medium coverage foundation with a matte finish, so it's perfect for oily skin types. Despite being a matte foundation, it's not drying for the skin, and that's thanks to peach extract, which is hydrating and leaves the skin looking plump and firm. Our last best-selling base product is our Undereye Concealer. It comes in a great range of colors, including color correctors. It's a thin formula, but with medium to full coverage finish. That makes it perfect for the under eye area, as it doesn't cake up or move into creases. This concealer is suitable for all skin types, and it blends perfectly into all of our foundation ranges. A notable ingredient of this concealer is African whitewood bark extract. This ingredient helps to reduce the appearance of puffiness and dark circles. It wouldn't be a bestsellers video if we didn't talk about the iconic INGLOT Freedom System. The Freedom System is a fully customizable palette building system that offers a full range of powder and cream products. Choose from lipsticks, concealers, pressed powders, a full range of cheek products, and one of the biggest color ranges of eyeshadows. The Freedom System is a magnetic, refillable system, which means you only buy the packaging once and refill it as you run out. Gone are the days of buying a palette and only using half the shades and hitting pan on your favorite. At checkout, don't forget to add a palette. This is a refillable magnetic system, so you only need to buy the palette packaging once. My recommendation for customers new to INGLOT or those wanting to minimize their makeup kit, go for a Flexi Freedom palette. The Flexi palette has no dividers, so the opportunities are endless. Now, if you still have questions about our amazing base products or would like help with a colour match, hop on to inglotcosmetics.com.au and click the live chat button. Our friendly and experienced INGLOT staff are here to help you this Australian Beauty Expo.